I know your time is valuable, so I'm going to get right to it. I have several critical leadership questions for you to consider. First, today, right now, would others look at you and think, there stands a leader? If they're likely to do so, then congratulations, really. To be thought of as a leader is recognition worthy of acknowledgement. So again, congratulations. You've obviously worked hard for it, and you've earned it. But what if they don't see a leader when they look at you? What then? Why wouldn't they? What's keeping that from happening? And finally, the last and most important question is this. If others don't recognize you as a leader, have you formulated your plan to change their way of thinking? My name is Phillip Hooser. I've been thinking these thoughts, asking these questions, and helping aspiring leaders manage the practical issues related to these questions for more than 30 years. Please know I'm most definitely not referring to what others might refer to as leadership titles. It's really not important whether your professional title is crew leader, supervisor, manager, director, even VP, president, or CEO. The focus is not on your title, but rather on your day-to-day temperament as a leader. My book, Leaders Ought to Know, 11 Ground Rules for Commonsense Leadership, is a compilation of practical leadership lessons available to anyone with or without a title, new leaders, emerging leaders, experienced leaders, anyone who wishes to lead more effectively. And as I said before, I know your time is valuable, so I'll make this quick and to the point. In the pages of Leaders Ought to Know, you'll explore real-world leadership considerations such as the leadership myth, the leadership lie, and the leadership challenges all leaders eventually face. You'll learn a working definition of leadership, and then you'll learn how to make that definition actually work for you. Included is a recipe for earning respect, along with 2 motivational truths that every leader better understand. Finally, there are common leadership questions to be asked, leadership fears to be addressed, and specific leadership pitfalls to be avoided at all costs. Along the way, you'll discover entertaining stories, engaging illustrations, and practical action steps to move you from wondering if others see you as a leader to being sure they do in unmistakable ways. All of this information is readily available in the pages of Leaders Ought to Know. To get your autographed copy, as well as copies for your team members, call the number on the screen. In fact, you can do that right now. In advance, I'll say congratulations. You've made an important decision to invest in your leadership future and in the future of others. I'm thrilled to be able to help you along your leadership journey. I wish you all the best.